Hello, Mini Boo Guys back. And today I am going to be showing you how to de-Google your phone. Alright, so right now, Google has open Android, obviously. And there's a bunch of bloat like photos. On Samsung, you have gallery, so I don't need that. I don't need Drive because I don't have a Google account. So that sucks. So I'm going to be showing you how to de-Google a phone. So first, we're going to get rid of Drive. We're going to open up Drive right here. Right, so now I'm going to debug. We're going to go ahead and ADB devices. And all right, our device is accepted. So we're going to type in ADB uninstall dash dash user 0 com dot google dot android dot apps dot docs. Now I might have typed this wrong. I didn't even type the doggone thing. I might have typed the command wrong because I haven't done this in quite a bit. So it might give me error. Never mind. And I'm going to refresh. And it's gone. Right, so we got rid of that. I'm going to use a different app. Nope. All right. So we got rid of Google Drive now. Gone. Sorry. It's the my gosh. Right there. All right, so now we've gotten rid of Google Drive. We're going to get rid of the next thing. Chrome. My arch nemesis. All right, so we're going to go back up. Okay, so we got chrome.android.chrome. And it's gone. Finally. Never to be seen again. And now it should be gone. All right, so we got rid of that. We're going to scroll down, and here's Google TV. I don't use Google TV. You don't use Google TV, probably. I'm pretty sure my dog doesn't use Google TV. So we're going to get rid of it. Red dot videos. And it's gone. All right. Next up, we have photos. I already have gallery. I don't need photos. So I'm going to get rid of that. Dot photos. All right, we got rid of that. It's all gone. All right, we got rid of a lot of stuff already. So now we're going to get rid of YouTube. Especially YouTube. I don't use YouTube. I use the site. Okay, thank you very much. But I don't need this. I don't need this bloat. Thank you very much. Very useless. Very useless to me. I really don't want this junk on here. So we're going to get rid of this. There. No more YouTube. And we're going to get rid of YouTube Music. I don't have a subscription for that, so I really don't need it. I'm not sure if YouTube Music needs a subscription, but I download all kind of music, so I'm fine with it. Go off of this. Alright, so now we're going to scroll back, and everything's gone. Looks like I got rid of all the Google. Now, I can't exactly delete every single thing because some of them might not show up here. So I would need to use App Inspector instead, which I'm pretty sure I don't have installed right now. Yeah. So that's how you de-Google a phone pretty quick. If you need to de-Google something real quick. Oh, never mind. We still got some stragglers. All right, so I couldn't find those, so we're going to use Hail again. All right, we look for meat, and it's not showing up. Go ahead and give me a second. All right, there. All right, so now we have App Inspect. Now this one shows everything, and I'm sorry if an ad shows up. I tried to use NetGuard to block any networking allowed from this. So hopefully there's no ads, but if there's an ad, I'm sorry. Please don't blame me. All right. So I don't want this Samsung Bolt either, so I'm going to get rid of this. Let's see, com.sec.android.me image dot avatar stickers, and of course I forgot to type in the .line command, of course. Oh no. All right, we're going to get rid of all this. Okay, I'm not typing. Why am I not typing? So we're going to copy this. And copy. No, don't open files. Mm-hmm. All right, so yep, we're going to get rid of this, paste, and it should be gone now. There, it's all gone. A little more. All right, we're going to get rid of this because I don't use AR emoji. What the heck is that? All right, so we have Samsung Android AR emoji editor. Those the Samsung dot Android dot AR emoji editor. If you want to keep that for whatever reason because you use it, you can go ahead and not debloat that if you're following along. If you're just watching because you're watching, well, I'm glad you can see me de-Google this. All right. So now we have to fight through all this, so we're just going to go ahead and type meat. Okay, here we go. We have meat. com.google.android. What the heck? What kind of name is that? Google is so weird. All right. Apps. Why would you name it Tachion? Sounds Chinese. All right, we got rid of that. All right, we're going to look for maps. All right, here's maps. Oh, finally, they actually spelled this one like a normal person. All right, so it looks like we got rid of all the Google. I have to keep Play Store because it's like the only way you can get some of the apps that you might need. Or you can use Aurora Store, but that still needs some work. So it looks like I got rid of all the Google. Nope. Okay, we're going to get rid of this because I don't use Gmail. Bye. Google location history. No thanks, Google. I don't want you tracking all my data. Yeah. Nah. Right, there we go. And it looks like we're all good. Well, that's how you do Google a phone.